Yeah, I should roll. I hit that it in 90 watch him fall like dominoes. You don't wanna be Miami too. No.
I have a very fun day planned. I don't know exactly what we're doing, but it's gonna be fun. It all takes place in Cincinnati. So on the vlog, you've seen us go to Cincinnati before, but now it's Cincinnati with a twist, I guess. Ohio in general is just terrible, so I don't really do anything here when I am here. I haven't told you anything about what we're doing for real, and that's because it's a surprise. It's the giving season, so I'm giving you guys a gift if you continue watching this video. We're on our way to this museum, and we stopped here to hoop real quick. Anyways, I'll catch you guys when we get up to the thing. Check me. Yo, I just got a cramp in my back, yo. On me. Dang, you got up there quick.
Just do it. I don't know why you're doing it so close to the edge.
I was gonna hop it, but I got worse.
Like, if you were to mess up, you just fall and die.
That is a long fall.
Huh?
No, that's a long fall.
Yeah, but if I would have fallen like right here,
yeah,
I'd have just fell right there.
and you'd have been straight.
I'd have made
That's what you're saying, yeah.
You don't wanna ride, leave it right there. Why you acting like you don't care? Why you wasting my taking my time? Run away, then coming back around every other night. I can't take it. I guess the chase is half the fun, and I really hate it, but I can't make myself stop.
Was it worth $7? Yeah, I would say. The best part was me saving a little kid from getting hit by a car, actually. And then after that, it was probably the trains, but there were no butterflies, so Healy is over here complaining. Regardless, on to the next spot. Like I said before, I don't know where it is because it's a surprise. For me, she knows, but I don't. You can't, how are you gonna get there without telling me?
Just tell Siri to shut up.
Sounds good. I'm excited, y'all. Photo ops. Alright, so we just got to downtown Cincinnati area. We saw two birds over here, so we're gonna ride them all the way to the art museum, the contemporary art museum, because that's one of my favorite things to film, like cinematically. So we're about to do that, and we'll talk to you when we get up there.
Parked up outside in the old school. The new me back with the OU. The dog always find his way back home, and it's so true. Later on, fall through and pop one. You know the model, smoke something, drink something, pop one. Got your hand on my.
We just got to the gallery. It's looking super sweet. We're about to go check out 6 galleries, I think, from top to bottom. It's gonna be a vibe. Healy, gonna be crazy.
Beach Boys on a ride home. I can get there with my eyes closed. Exactly 34 minutes after I pull out your driveway, you dial my phone. Your paper gravel rock, inscription cover Peter. Yeah, I'm cutting all my locks, and I'm changing my demeanor. We have to be quiet. Healy is down there. She's about to take some fire photos of me. It look crazy. Took some of her too, but it's gonna look good. Pool days, hot tops, with my blue face, ice pops. I'ma make a shoelace.
Oh my, beautiful.
Thank you.
Beautiful.
Ready? I'm an art major.
She is an art major. I forgot. Not a good one, but hey, you gotta start somewhere. I found something that I like. Something I like.
We're supposed to be building together.
Is that right?
Yeah.
Should it be off like that?
I don't know.
Yes.
This is contemporary art. This is all No, it's not gonna work. We have to add
You
balance.
can feel that balance. It's about the balance.
If I blow on it, let me do it.
Hold on. The work that we just created. Try again. We create stable works over here. Stable works.
Ready?
I'm a child, yo. I'm really a child. I give up on this song because
I want to do it. Here, switch. So what is it? B-A what?
B-A, so B is down there.
Thank you.
A is here. G flat
this
is
A
right
sharp?
here. Not go ahead. I thought we were doing A. Just got done eating at what? Burger or something like that. Now we're going to Fountain Square to get some ice skating in. Oh, I'm excited. I'm excited.
See you champagne poppin', you ain't doing nothing. You said you was buzzing, we both know you wasn't. I already told you, you know I'm a soldier. I'ma get poppin' to this mother, cause I'm not impressed. 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 I'm not impressed.
I'll see you guys tomorrow. I hope I see you tomorrow. So, bye.
Your body and it's so unforgettable. Cause you got me open. I feel like I'm coasting. I'm lost in the moment and don't wanna let it go. Yeah, see, I'm a rock star. Every time I drop bar, just Moosh and twist, black and white like a cop car. Rapping with a halo. I feel like it's okay though. I feel I gotta get it when I'm dipping down Rodeo. Said I whip it, I got it dripping. I gotta get it, I gotta go and rip it. I'm so bad with commitment. I'm so good with division. I'm so good with these writtens. I'm so good off the top. Bitch, on my top like it's missing. My top is missing like I'm freestyling. My top missing like I'm Sheed Wallace. I'm Lil Wayne in 07 through 2010. I'm Chance the Rapper with no summer friends, even when my summer
I see you
ends.
champagne poppin', you ain't doing nothing. You said you was buzzing, we both know you wasn't. I already told you, you know I'm a soldier. I'ma get poppin' to this mother, cause I'm not